Hello everybody, it's me, Tower Defender 2, and today we're back with another video. Today we'll be playing TDS Reanimated, the game I talked about earlier, and this is Overhaul Part 1. Many updates, such as bug changes, revamps of easy mode and golden mode, bug fixes, like I said, a new tower, remodels for Minigunner, Pyromancer, and Militant, new emotes, and new summer skins. Military base, and then all these other changes, but mainly Summer Pass. Yippee! So today I have Minigunner and Militant equipped, and Pyromancer, and we're gonna see the new changes on Grass Highways. So I'll get to you guys when it starts. Okay, there we go. Map loaded. Like I said, easy mode or normal mode. Oh god, this map's from 2021. Let's see, what's cheap enough? Let's go. This is a heavy or Wrath minigunner. It looks heavy. Yeah, this is a heavy minigunner. Default Militant and default Pyro. So minigunner why I didn't get default skin is because the default skin is the same as the one that we have in TDS right now. And the other skin I own is kind of bulky. So. Let those guys. So there is still reloading. But let's see. His model looks nice. Oh, that reminds me of the one that, what was it, Wiki had colors put on? So yeah. It's kind of cool. Yeah. So level 0 does 2 damage, 0.18, it shoots every 0.18 seconds and has 12 range. So level 1 does faster firing rate and more range, and it retains gloves and a red dot. So another thing that they added in this is apparently the Speedy Boss and the Gravedigger have been fully remodeled. So that's cool. Now, of course, the next video I make about this game is probably going to be hardcore, because that got reworked in the last update, but I didn't do it. Okay, level 2 is 3 damage, and it now gets him detection. It now gets glasses and headphones. Gonna get Pyro. He looks cool. I think normal TDS has to rework him. Or not rework him, just redesign him. You know, he still looks old. So of course, when the update first came out, emote stuff, there was an emote called Lazy Couch. It was a lot of gems, and I don't want to sacrifice. They don't have Excel yet. But some emotes are gem exclusive because they're heavily animated. Anyways, what was the difference? Faster firing rate and more damage. Damage is next, but he gets gloves and a mask. And he does get hit detection on level 0, so he is good for hardcore. If he wasn't expensive, he would be. So, gets goggles and now he does damage. So now, oh yeah. Just melting these guys. Nice. So I'm gonna save up for minigun. More expensive. I think we have some good defense. I'm gonna save up for this guy to be level 3. So level 3, 5 damage, faster firing rate, and increased ammo because he has ammo like in like old TDS. It's fine. So if you do want to play this game, the link will be in the description. I would definitely try it out. I will be playing this game a lot more due to the Battle Pass. So you'll probably see me be on my free time. Let's see. So level 3 gets that, and he does the more damage, which is nice. Nice. So now I'll save it for minigunner. Got some strongs, they haven't changed. So I just get fast firing rate, more range. He does have the animations from old 2021 minigunner, which is cool, and the sounds. That's also because this game is TDS from 2021, if they ever updated. So level 2 gets hit detection and does 3 damage. Nice. Oh, did they nerf? Oh, I think they nerfed DJ. I don't have enough money for Call to Arms, but... There's also an easy mode was not easy and was one of the hardest game modes. Hidden boss. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try and get level 2. Okay, so now I can save up for the militant and upgrades. We should be good. Yeah. So we'll get this guy to level 3. And oh, it does have the double miniguns like or TDS too. That's really cool. Of course, they're not spinning, so that's a bug. But the skin looks nice though. And of course, he does 5 damage. So we're gonna be shutting those guys down. Kinda. I just gotta max out DJ. He's doing the animation in 2019. I would definitely recommend this game, people. That's where I am. There we go. There we go, max level DJ. And I think that's bugged. Yeah, that's supposed to be black. Okay. The game is a little buggy, but that's because it's a small dev group. So support them. Max up mini gunner, because he does 9 damage, fast enough firing rate, and 21 range. Or breakers can be breakers, so hold up. There we go, max level. I'll show you guys in a second when it's safe. Uh-oh. There we go. It's kind of safe now. We have 1 max level minigunner. So he kind of looks like that. He kind of reminds me of the guy from what is it? Oh, Vault Tech. Those guys. Max level, basically a minigunner. Oh god, I might lose. What's his range? Barely. Oh shucks. Of a repeat of what happened last time. Oh. Okay, good. Okay, so more damage equals more crowd control. Now I'm just gonna be spamming minigunners. And I'm gonna keep that guy over there for safety. Let's do some of the... Well, it seems like he is not coming, so that's good. Yeah, oh, Fallout, that's the game. Yeah, this guy looks like he's from Fallout. And that's the game. There's max level militant. Looks really cool. I looks like a commando. So we're gonna max this guy out. Wave 30 is the final wave, so I might as well. Max level, pyro. Well, of course, hopefully it's like old TDS where you need 1 max one instead of how nowadays you need all of them max. Oh, and if you're wondering what skin this is for Commander, it's Valentine's or Love Struck, but they kind of removed it because it was only for a limited time. Oh, they did the thing like an old TDS. Nope, in modern TDS, so that's amazing. So I need to at least get these guys to level 3. believe Gravedigger comes out this wave. I don't hear any music, so I don't know. There's the music. He does not look like he's out of the model. Whatever. There he is. Oh, and he's already dead. There we go. 50 minutes. Not bad. Oh, wow. That is a lot of shells compared to Morton that gives 50. Wow. Hello, it's me, Tower. And I would like to say that I'll be revisiting this game a lot. Next will be, like I said in the video, Hardcore, which will be very nice. The reason why this video is kind of bad right now is because I kind of didn't really take my time on it because I'm working on another video which will come out hopefully soon. Goodbye.